Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to install a Windows 11 in a Dell series laptop. So see guys here. Firstly, I will check up here, especially 138 GB is a free C drive out of 165. So of course, when we are going to install Windows in any drive, we can easily identify and recognize which one is a C drive. So now I am going to insert one USB flash pen drive. So let's see. Now I have inserted. It has been notified on desktop. Now see guys here. What I will do. Simply I will shut down this by pushing this button, power on off. And now I will once again switch on. Now I will press this F12. This is a boot option. So of course we need to select this one. So this F12 key button I have inserted. Now I have to select here USB storage. So it's saying that this product is covered by one or more following pattern. So once again I will switch off, and once again I will switch on. I will press once again this F12. I have to wait here. Now I need to select this one because this is a SP pen drive. So of course now I will go in a UEFI options where we will select this UEFI HP, and I will go for press the enter button. So now see guys here, it has started to install here. So I have to wait here. Now I will select here language. So I will go for language selection. So simply I will select English. Now I will go for time and currency format. So fine, I have selected this one. I will go for next and I will go for install it. So here I have to wait once again. Now we have to choose which one you would like to select. I will go for this Windows Pro and I will go for next it. Of course here we can back it also and we can select this one once again if you want. Let's for this Home 11 So of course we will go for next. Now I have to wait here. Here I have to select term and condition. So now accepted. I will go for custom installation, and here we have to select which one was a C drive. So that was because I was already recognized that which one C drive. So C drive is a 4. So just I will go for formatted firstly. Now we can go for deleted. So now we have it deleted. So drive unlocated space. Now once again I am going to generate it. Why we have a deleted here? See guys, especially I have deleted because of I would like to once again run some trial version on this laptop, some application that had already expired, and once again if I would like to use a retrial, so it will not trust that this application was used on this especially device. So that's why I have it deleted, and once again new partition I have generated. Now I will go for next it, and yes I will go for. So now see guys, it has started to install, and it will take approximately 5 to 10 minutes to complete the whole procedure of Windows 10. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time.